guys, look who we got in our room, Miss Jenny. I'm Ronnie.
I'm Alma.
And
I'm Jenny.
So, somebody, I'm not naming names, fell asleep last night.
Ronnie.
Yeah, it was me. So we didn't get to party and too late, but we still got 11 drinks in. I mean, first day. That ain't bad, is it? Well.
See, y'all could let me have one of y'all's drinks. Y'all didn't drink them all.
You drank Karen's.
I did.
But anywho, it's time to go get some brunch. We'll check it out and see what else is going on, and we'll get back with you later. Until then, see ya!
You love the steak too? We all love steak.
Hey! We're gonna have us a little snack for dinner. I mean, you know, calories don't count on vacation, people. I mean, hey. Anywho, you know, we ain't done a whole lot today. We went to brunch with our friends and we done that and just checked out the pictures that were made yesterday, and that was all right. And did a little tour of the ship and just try to figure out, get our bearings and figure out what's going on, that kind of thing. And, you know, like I say, we're gonna take that pizza right there and we're gonna do a little pre-gaming for supper tonight. Tonight's a fancy night, so we'll get all dressed up and all that kind of thing, and just like any time, have fun. That's what we do. Woohoo! Yeah.
Where are your hands? Where's your noise? You need to help me. Is it Chewy? Make some noise. Chewy! Today's competition, I think just by a hair. Congratulations to our hairy chest competition winner!
Yeah, let's go find them.
Congratulations, the bottom.
Day 2, fun day at sea. Fun day at sea. Hanging out at our favorite bar, the Atrium Bar. I'm out. Gotta get a new drink. It's day 2 of the cruise, and we done maxed out 15. It's only like 9 o'clock. I mean, okay, 9:40, but heck, what am I gonna do the rest of the night? It's crazy. I mean, what? We got the Atrium Bar. I mean, if you're around, come buy us a drink. We'll take it. They cut us off. Come on, people. Do it.
the word electrifying. The word electrifying. One more time, the word electrifying. 1, 2, 3. Now we're doing that. DJ, take it away. All right.